So here we are on our daily walk. We're trying to YouTube, but we really don't know what to talk about. But guess what? If we didn't start now, we were never going to start. So we need to talk about something today. And I think we're going to actually talk about failures, because even if you feel like you're failing, even if you feel like you're a failure, as long as you keep going, you're not a failure. You're still trying. That's really all that matters. So I'm currently 26 years old, and I have had a plethora of careers. Job opportunities. I don't know what you would say. I attempted all these different career paths, so I would say careers, but did I stay with them for long? Absolutely not. No. So it did all start with real estate in 2018. The winter of 2019 in Billings, Montana, I took this real estate class through this company, Knoll Morton. They're a real estate licensing company in Montana. It was a 5-day course, and I completed it that week. After that, you just have to take the state and national exam. I did have to take that twice after that, but I eventually completed it. Real estate, at that time, I was only 19 years old, so I was not confident in sales at all. I was not confident in myself. I didn't want to be in sales, plus I really just did not want to be in Great Falls. I did not want that to be my location where I started my career or stayed. So from real estate, I got into the stock market, thankfully, because I was able to do that on my free time, have a lot of time on my own. Thankfully, it was around COVID, so I got in at a perfect time. I was serving at the time, just making some extra money on the side, and I got into Tesla way before it skyrocketed in 2020. Also Dogecoin, so a lot of cryptocurrency. So as you guys know, COVID went on for a while. Thankfully during that time, I did get better at stocks. I got into options trades, which is honestly more like gambling to me than anything. I did live a couple years off of that, thankfully, until I started my drone business in August of 2021. And then from my drone business, I did that a couple years. I lived in Arizona. I did roof inspections in Arizona. I did some marketing and promotional videos up in Montana, and also some marketing and promotional videos down here in Florida. So after my drone business, I got into AI, got AI certified down in Miami, and that kind of led me to content creation, which is why I am here introducing myself. Thank you guys.